Mitch with OMG Floor Care in Dacula, Georgia now. It's a 120. We've got a 4-area job we're doing here for a home investor that rents, invests in house. Sometimes she rents them, sometimes she flips them. But there's 4 bedrooms. Master to several pet spots. I don't know if they show up on camera here. In this room right here, from the entryway all the way about there. Other 2 rooms, there's 1 spot in the bonus. There's a spot right there. And then the bonus room upstairs, there's just 1 spot up there. Everything else is in pretty good shape. Not sure what this is. I don't know if it'll come out or not, but we'll see. Everything else looks good up here, so we'll get on this 4-area job and see how it goes. Okay, I just pre-treated this 1 room that held the pet spots in, and as you can see, or as you can't see, they're all but gone. And like I said, all I've done is pre-treat with our OMG carpet cleaner. So that's just not an after picture, that's just after I pre-treated. Still got to run the machine on it. As you can see, it's 150. Just finished this job. It's a 160 job for 4 areas. Everything came out really well. You may have recalled from the middle section there that the pre-treatment of this room already looked good. So now it's even better, and the spots in this one came out as well. I guess I better pull the blinds. So again, there are several spots in a couple of the rooms. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges, no trip charge, no fuel charge. So OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. If you're calling around for pricing, the most important questions you need to ask are: number 1, what kind of cleaner do you use? Is it soapy or foamy? If it is, it's going to cause dark black discolored spots on your carpet. And 2, the price they give you, asking me if that is a final price or a starting price. This thing right here lightened up a lot, but it's still kind of a tint there. It actually shows it more on camera than it does to the eye. But we loaded that up. So it actually looks really good. Again, 2 questions you were asked: what kind of cleaner do you use, and is that my final price? Are there per spot fees? Is there a trip charge? Is there a fuel charge? Things of that nature, because obviously if you're calling based on price, you do not want to be charged more than what you're quoted.